So there was some error there I noticed and I just figured it out. So the application started on port 8091, as you can see right here. And if I go to my browser and browse on port 8091, so I go to port 8091, let's see. So I go to 8091 and you can see that it displays right here a list of products coming from the web API. You can see that these products are coming from the USA. That's the location field here is USA. So let's go ahead to shut down the product server 1 and let's see what happens. So if I go to product server 1 here, I can go to run and say stop product server 1. I'm going to go back to the UI and refresh the page. So I'm going to refresh this page by hitting on the F5 key on the keyboard. It takes a few seconds, but it's surely going to come. Let me verify that product server 2 is up and running. Yeah, product server 2 is up and running as well. So let's see. Okay, so it works. Okay. So you see the location now is changed to India, meaning that the fallback is working perfectly well. So now we've completed the 4 microservices and the fallback is working perfectly. And at this point, I'm going to move on to the next part, and the next part is going to be, we are going to be talking about the Hystrix dashboard, and that will require making some changes to the application structure, and we continue from there. I'd like to thank you for viewing. Subscribe if you've not subscribed, and also feel free to leave a comment for me, like and share this video. It's been informative for you.